to maintain 4,000.
205 heading down to 4,000, United 1219.
Very good. And if you start getting worried, I can go ahead.
Okay.
Approach runway 376.12, descending 7,000. The Maui airport is safe.
How much to the right?
Right here.
376 HCF approach to maintain 5,000.
Head for like that big cluster of clouds.
Descend 5,000, Hawaii 376.
How you doing back there?
I'm great.
Good.
Just taking it all in.
United 1219, fly heading 200.
Okay.
200 heading United 1219.
Stop touching the controls.
November 5 Sierra Papa, can you proceed to the west side of the localizer, no delay?
I will go direct McGregor, 5 Sierra Papa.
Oh gosh, I didn't even catch that.
Hawaii 376, we have X-ray.
Line 376, Roger. Unable to visual today for opposite direction traffic.
Okay, copy.
Very good. There's just a little bit of turbulence.
It was pretty windy driving in. I was a bit concerned, like, oh gosh, are we going to fly at all?
What we're going to be going through is going to be a little bit turbulent, so
okay.
I'll actually take controls from you just so you don't...
United 1288, contact center 126.6.
Freaking out think it's you, because it's not you, it's just turbulence.
Okay.
The wind will actually come off this mountain and kind of create like a rotor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Line 376, fly heading 095, descend to maintain 3,000.
095 heading, descend 3,000, Hawaii 376.
United 1219, descend to maintain 3,000, base turn in 7 miles.
Down to 3,000, thanks,
Just
United
gonna slow
1219.
the plane up just so that when we're going through this turbulence, it's gonna not be as jarring. Kind of feel more like a mushy roller coaster.
I like roller coasters, so I Jen, I don't know how you feel, but
love roller coasters.
Okay, go for it.
Yeah, I don't.
You're the only one that doesn't like the turbulence.
Oh no, I'm totally fine with turbulence. I just don't like roller coasters.
Okay.
I'm not in control of it.
I see. Well, usually it stays on the track. It's okay.
Yeah, usually. That's what I don't like. Usually. Not 100% of the time. It's usually.
Yeah, it's like 98 point.
Yeah. That's not enough for me.
Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. So what's the wind pattern that comes off here? Because we noticed that whenever we came around here, like, was it a funnel? Does it funnel through this valley?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Jen, did you see the rainbow?
No.
There's a rainbow on the right.
Line 376,
We took off into it. I was just like so concentrated on taking off that
Doesn't get more Hawaiian than...
I don't think so, no. Like we've had a rainbow at the end of our day, like we had a rainbow at the end of our dive and then a rainbow on our flight.
Where'd you guys dive at?
We did Turtle Reef and the Lahaina, or sorry, Lanai Cathedrals.
1219, fly heading 250.
I'm sorry?
Lanai Cathedrals.
1219.
It's on Lanai on the,
Terminated squawk VFR frequency.
I think it was the south.
Squawk VFR frequency change for Master Papa. There you go. There you go. Alright.
Okay, sorry, it was on the south end of the island.
Okay, nice.
But it's a lot of swim-through and things. Do you dive?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I got certified when I was actually 10 years old. That was my 10th birthday present.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Yeah, because that's the youngest you could get certified at.
Good job.
Oh, it was so hard. Because for the diving license out here, you have to be able to swim a half-mile without touching the ground.
Half-mile?
Yeah, and then tread water for another 10 minutes after that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we had to do the tread water thing, but my swim was only like 200 meters. That's it.
Yeah, no,
Mine was like 1,200 meters.
Oh, was it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe.
so it was hell for a 10-year-old.
Yeah, I bet, because you got like short limbs.
Yeah. But I did it. I mean, I was almost crying at the end, but you know, I did it.
Did you get like instructor, all the way to instructor or dive master or anything like that?
No, I just did my basic.
Okay. Yeah. I thought about going ahead and doing more, but I'm not going to use it. There's no point.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No, I don't really use it all that much either.
There's a whale out the right side, Annie.
What?
Look back a little bit.
Okay.
I just saw, he went back under, but I just saw him come up and blow.
Lucky
See?
you.
Do you see him? Do you see him?
Oh my gosh, I did see him. What? We're doing a whale watching tour. Oh my gosh. Did you see him, Ian?
I see the water splash that it made.
I mean, really, you couldn't see too much. You just saw.
Yeah. I'm tracking him though. He's right there, right there.
That's
Nice.
amazing.
That's the first wheel I've seen of the season.
No way.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad we could bring you out here to fly.
Oh my gosh, it's so... Oh.
Of course, it had to be in one of the most turbulent
Oh,
spots.
did you see the? Oh, he did the tail slap.
Yeah, he's been slapping his tail.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, a flight and a whale watching tour.
Oh my.
They're welcoming a new baby in.
Oh,
Stop, are you serious?
Yeah, that's why they do that.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
I lost track of them.
I don't see that. I see where their last location was, but I don't see them anymore. But they should be like at our 3 o'clock. Like right under the wing.
Yeah. I know, I thought that's where they were, but...
Yeah. Oh, there he is, right there. See him?
Yep. Wow.
That is so cool. Good eyes, Jen.
Yeah, no, that's awesome.
Wow. Well, this is kind of cool.
Yeah. Just had to be in the most turbulent spot.
Thanks for the loop, though.
Yeah.
It's like
Oh, I mean, I wanted to see it too.
wow.
My grandpa he's a marine biologist, and he used to do flyovers to track like sharks and whales and stuff, and he said it's the best watching.
Yeah.
It's from above.
Yeah, because then you can see their size.
Yeah, that's why they used to fly above.
That is so cool.
It's a lot harder to spot them from the air than it is from a boat, though.
Yeah, I can imagine. Because all you really have is the splash, and if the water's clear, maybe you can see a little bit.
Yeah, it is. You can actually see them when it's clear and not from rough like this.
Oh, okay. So this type of turbulence, like, is this what they refer to when they say clear air turbulence, or
No.
is it like wind? Or...
What we're experiencing is what they call a rotor.
Okay.
So it's hitting the mountain and then it's coming down and it's making like a vortex.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
And I assume that you can kind of like, if there were clouds, you'd be able to see the pattern of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Not that you'll ever really see clouds low enough to see it on the south side.
Oh, okay.
Then I want hours away in 10 minutes at 10. Cover harness for it.
So what do people usually do on their introductory flights? Like if you were to do that 30-minute one, what do you do?
Kind of, you know, where I had to make that right turn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, instead of continuing on this way, we would have went back to the airport.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, because it's not like a 30-minute flight. It's 30 minutes from start.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That's, you don't really get a feel for it, though.
No, you really don't.
Yeah.
Let me just get back up to altitude here.
Okay.
I'll give you the controls back.
Okay.
Because we went through majority of it.
Okay. So what, in this airspace here, what is it, who controls it?
Nobody.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
you could pretty much do whatever you want in here? Okay.
Did
So
you want
you're-
to experience the stall?
Sure.
Experience a what?
It's just, okay.
Basically, we're losing lift.
Yes.
We don't have enough lift to maintain altitude.
So what's happening to us?
We're just going to experience a slight drop.
Oh, wonderful. Love to hear it.
Are you okay with that, Jen?
Yeah, I'm
okay,
totally
all right.
fine.
Okay, I would
Amy,
love
I'm a yes girl. I don't care.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright, so we're going to do a power on stall.
Okay.
Oh,
So this is what happens when you get too slow.
Okay.
While you're like after takeoff. Do you hear that horn?
Yes.
Well, I gotta stand still.
So it's at so we're at 40 knots right now? Okay,
Yep,
and less.
under 40 knots.
Okay.
Oh, I feel
There
it,
it
I
is.
feel it.
That's all.
What? And then you recover from a stall by dropping your nose?
Oh no, the plane did automatically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, okay.
I mean, and then like for a power off stall, you pull the
Oh,
power
let's not
out.
do that.
Okay.
Pull add in all of our flaps there. And we're just going to hold our altitude. So right now we're at 1,700.
Okay.
And for a stall to recover from it, or to enter it, you want to keep your ailerons as level as possible.
Okay.
And just kind of change your direction with your rudders.
Okay.
There's that stall horn. There's the buffet. There's the stall.
Okay.
And if you hold it, this is like right now we're stalling.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you just hold it.
Oh.
Because this plane is such a stable plane that it's literally just going to do that.
Okay, I see.
And then to recover, you just
Put power back on.
and let the nose and kind of push the nose down just a little bit,
Okay.
just to get airspeed, and then you bring the nose back up to gain altitude again.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll just take the flap up.
Oh, I see. So flaps out, you can fly slower.
Flaps in.
Oh,
Flaps
flaps
lower.
in.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. I don't know the term for it. Okay, so flaps in means that you've put.
Oh, sorry. It's really. Yes.
Lots of questions.
Flaps down.
Okay.
Yeah.